खाली घेतलो तो व्हिडिओ fast moving, and we are selling planes. They are looking for daily wear and all. These are the very nice 499. No, if they will buy the combo, this is also not local rayon. We have very good quality, first quality rayon here. Not a normal brand, this is international offer, and plenty of collections we have. And see, this is just a new arrival crop top to wear for a comfortable with short night suit.
ಈ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಬಂದು ಆರ್ಎಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಲೂಸಿಯಾ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಲಸ್ಕರ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಲೂಸಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟೇರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನೀವು ಹಾದು ಹೋದರೆ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Hi guys, my brother Mr. Sufyan, and this shop is called Sufyan's Masakkali, the fashion shop. And for ladies, each and everything, they will get it a very good price and very good offers also. For an example, we have a very good brand called like Imara, which is very fast moving, and we are selling plenty per day. See, this is actual price. These are the plazos. This is actual price. They can check it in online, 11.99. We are selling only for 3.99. 700 flat off. And not only in the plazo, they will get skirts, and they will get the balloon pants. See, these are the elephant plazo. This MRP is different, 1399, and we are selling for 499. And we have got some skirts also. See, these are the skirts, especially for teenagers. They are looking for daily wear and all. These are the very nice skirts. Actual price is like 1499, and we are selling only for 499, which is very good offer. And we have the combo offer as well in our shop. Not only if they will buy single, this one is like 499. No, if they will buy the combo offer, any 3 pieces from this, 1300. So they can save extra 200 from the combo offer. So it is better, you can go for combo offer, which you can use it for daily purpose, and they can buy 3 varieties. For an example, 1 skirt, 1 plazo, and 1 balloon pant. So they can make it as a combo, particularly for this brand, and they will enjoy it. And even the quality and all, they no need to think about it. And at the same time, we have got some other tops as well. This is called Western tops, which is they can wear it with along with the jeans, capris with skirts and all. And these are for 3 pieces only 600. 3 pieces only 600. These are the special offers. See, actual prices come like 799. Not even one top price you are paying, guys. And whoever is watching, like girls, I just wanted to tell you, see, one top price is like 799, and 3 tops you are getting for 600, which is amazing. You don't get this kind of offers anywhere, I hope. Okay. And we have got some jeans as well for teenagers. This is like Levi's jeans. See, the actual price will come 3799. 3799. Now they can buy it 3 pieces only for 2000. 3 pieces only for 2000. Actually, we were selling for like 1 piece 1000 rupees, so 3000, but we have running a very good special offer. Because of that reason, I just wanted to give message from this video that 3 pieces at the time, no single, please. Single if they will buy 1000. If they will buy 3 pieces, 2000 rupees only. Levi's. They will get plenty of collections in that. See, these are the red loop with lycra, stretchable, fully expandable, skinny, high waist, low waist, everything you will get it here. Plenty of collections. And at the same time, we have got some Indo-Western tops. See, these are a little bit long, Indo-Western tops called. These are also, the brand ones, 1200 this one. If they will buy any 3 pieces, 1200. This 3/4 kurti style tops. And we have some long gowns as well. See, this section belongs to long gowns. See, like this. Oh, very nice long gowns. Plenty. These are the different patterns, but you will get it, very good discounts in this as well. See, very nice pure cotton, and if they want, fancy also, they will get it in fancy as well. These are the fancy tops. They can make it as a gown. Just they have to buy one veil and one legging. That's it. They can make it as a gown. And one more thing, see, these are very nice gowns. Only, how much? 750. They don't get this one, and this is purely rayon material and very nice quality as well. We are not only giving, discounts, and we are maintaining at the same time quality as well. It is not like that we are offering something in discount which is not good. We are offering something in discount and very less price, which is very good also. See, this is also good. This is tail cut kurti. Tail cut kurti. And if they want something fancy, like for party wear and all, they will get it in party wear. See, these are the party wear gown. And this is something, called retro style. Vintage, evergreen. And at the same time, we have got some kurtis as well here. Everything you will get it. This is called like vintage collection, which you will call, bunny print. Very nice shaded top. And we have got something like this also. Long kurtis with 3/4 sleeves. These all with, particularly we have in rayon specially. And that is also not local rayon. We have very good quality, first quality rayon here. And at the same time, guys, I just wanted to show you some fancy things. And here also, as we showed, here also they will get it Crocs for 150 for kids. They can buy it sizes here from 4 years to like 10 to 12 years. Only 150. They can choose any Crocs, which is, belongs to Bata. The prices will come like 399 to 499. Only 150. They can choose it any Crocs from here. Only 150. And at the same time, we have got some sweatshirts for ladies. And this is also not a normal brand. This is international brand called Lee. I think most of the guys, they know this brand, Lee. And this price is like 1599. And we are selling only for 500. Sweatshirts for ladies. See, this price is like 1799. This is also for 500. And Western sweatshirts. See, this is a Western sweatshirts, Lee, which is 1699. They will get it only for 500. And we have only limited stocks for this. Whoever, come first and buy first. This is how beautiful this one. One more I just wanted to show. We have some kids collection for offers, which is in Allen Solly, Benetton and all. See, this is, like people will think that they can buy anywhere. These are like 350, 400 ranges pants. See, this is the fancy tops from Allen Solly. See, this is Allen Solly, which is very nice tops and all, and they will get it from 4 to 5 years. So see, this is 1699 actual. We are selling, if they will buy 3 pieces, any kits, they will get it only for 700. 3 pieces. 3 pieces. And at the same time, we have got other things as well, like for an example, these pants, fancy pants for kids. 3 pieces, 1000 for kids. Fancy pants, the colorful for girls. These are a very nice offer. And see, this is Allen Solly lower leggings, only for 200. Allen Solly for 14 years size. And at the same time, guys, we have got for kids also very fancy frocks with bushy, for birthdays and functions and all, bushy frocks and all. And we have got some Western things as well. We have got some Western style. See, this is called Indo-Western style. Very nice skirt. See, plenty of collections we have. And see, this is just a new arrival crop top, just arrived for party wear and function wear. See the bushy lower you will get. It's look very nice, And there is a sleeves also. It's up to you how you want to wear it, with sleeves or without sleeves, And very nice prices also. You will get it in this. We have got plenty collection. See, this is called one more retro style. See, plazo with dangri. This is also very nice. These are the new collections for kids, and we have for specially called, this is called like nightwear section. Nightwear section means, you don't get anywhere, especially here in Arsu complex, this kind of collections in nightwear. You will get kaftan also, you will get night suits also. See, these are the elderly night suits. You'll get different patterns here in this, and at the same time we'll get for kids also, starting from 4 years to 14 years we'll get for kids also. And this is like, it will come like 600, and this will come like 850. Actual price is like 1285. You'll see we are giving for 850 flat discount. And we have got something, the nighties, which people are looking. See, these are the nighties. You don't get this kind of prints and all, and these are the material is very fantastic material. See, actual price is like 1185. We are selling here only 800. Very nice, and different qualities you will get. We have got plenty of collections, especially for nightwears for ladies, and you don't get anywhere here in Arsu complex. See, for an example, these nighties and all are fantastic nighties, very nice. See, these are the nighties. You will get all the collection. You'll get it kaftan nighties as well. I'll show you. We have in display the kaftan nighties also very good. And this is called Bewitch. Bewitch, which is, will come like shorts and the top. This actual price is like 2499. Here we are selling only for 800. Some girls, they wanted to wear for a comfortable with short night suit. So we are selling only 700 to 750 range this one. And we have got, at the same time, like this kind of bridal collection for ladies. They will get plenty of gowns, and if they want full heavy work, we have in heavy work as well. Plenty of collections, and these are the offer prices whichever in the boxes. We have for undergarments as well. See, this kind of frocks and all for kids, and there is a plenty of designs. See, the night suits also, there is 2-piece nighties and undergarments for ladies, for kids. This one shop for ladies, they can buy everything, one stop for ladies. They will get each and everything here. For even for boys also, they will get very nice blazers and very nice pants and shirts and t-shirts as well. At the same time, they will get the Tommy t-shirts, the round t-shirts Tommy, which is 800 and all, and we are selling 3 pieces here only for 700. 3 t-shirts from starting from 4 years to 12 years, 3 pieces only for 700 Tommy t-shirts, which is very good offer. I'll show you the Tommy t-shirts, and at the same time, see, these are the undergarments which I was discussing with you guys. These are, actual prices will come, say 799 and 899, and there is called like 1099 as well. But they can buy it or anything from here 200 only. If they can buy quantity also, they can buy single also, only 200. These are the ladies undergarments, and see, these are the fancy the crop top. which is very fast moving. And we have got something like this, which is amazing. See, these are the bridal wear collection. And we have got plenty collections in this. Plenty collections. So guys, I just wanted to tell you, you know, all the collections, if I will show in this video, maybe you guys will feel, you know, very bored, or you will, just shut your mobile. Because of that reason, I'm showing the main dresses, main designs, which you can like. The more collection, if you wanted to check out here, you just have to visit Masakali, Sufyan's Masakali Arsu Complex, Mysore, which is one stop for everything. Even, you know, if you're looking for kid or adults, they will get all the things over here, starting from born baby to elders. They will get all for ladies and kids here. Plenty good designs, which is, you know, very nice patterns, designs like this kind of simple and sober for girls, you know. So because of that reason, I'm just telling you, you kindly visit here. And I'm 100% sure if you will visit here, you will save some money and we will make some business. That is how we run the business. Okay. Thank you very much.